Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to replace the text view of Win plus tab with Flip 3D in Windows 11 running computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So whenever we press the Win plus tab key on our computer keyboard, so you can see the text view shows up. So in order to replace this text view of Win plus tab with Flip 3D, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. So I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you can see on the right side releases, just click on it. Now here you will see ckflip3d.exe. so you need to download this exe file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Now just click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on launch ckflip3d. Now the application has started. So now let us check if it has replaced the text view of Win plus tab with Flip 3D or not. So let me press the Win plus tab key on my computer keyboard. So now you can see here, it has replaced the text view of Win plus tab with Flip 3D. So it really replaced. So now you can see it's moving in the forward direction, right? So if you want to move it in the backward direction, then just press Win, Shift and Tab. So it will move in the backward directions. So you can move it in the clockwise or anti-clockwise depending upon your needs. So by using this cool tricks, you can easily replace the text view of Win plus tab with Flip 3D in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.